Hi friends, so this is your friend Arun from Live in Germany channel. So today I'm back again with daily news guys. So there are updates regarding say one regarding Eltern Geld and KurzArbeit and one from Science and Atlas from Continental like which is going to cut some jobs. So these are all the four different news I have for today. So now let's go on to the news. So the first news we have is regarding the Eltern Geld. So what it is about. So first thing, parents who are earning yearly around 300,000 euros will not be given Eltern Geld anymore. So previously this limit was 500,000 euros and now it's been reduced to 300,000. So I think it will not meet most of the people who are watching this video, but probably if you are one of them who are earning 300,000 per year like as a couple, then you will not be given the kindergeld. And the next one is like premature babies. So if a child is born 6 weeks or earlier than the due date, then it's considered a premature child, and the parents are entitled to get 1 month extra of the parental allowance or the Eltern Geld. So this is another update which is regarding the Eltern Geld. And the other one is for those who are working part-time when you're already receiving Eltern Geld. So previously it was 30 hours of part-time work you can actually do, and now it has been increased to 32 hours. So like the parental allowance or the Eltern Geld is based on some ratio. So if you want to compensate your income by working sometime, say after 8 months or 9 months of delivery for example, then this could be really useful fact. So another one which is coming important, so the next news we have is regarding short-time work allowance like KurzArbeit. So KurzArbeit was actually planned, like I said in my previous videos, till end of this year 2020, and it has been pushed to December 2021. So for whom it actually applies, for companies who have already applied for short-time work till end of this year, they can extend this benefit till end of 2021. And how this will be like the 67 percentage which we have seen for like 67 for people who have kids and 60 for singles, and which will be gradually increase say 70 and 80. So how this is will be taken care next year, more details will follow, but this is an important update for those who are on KurzArbeit. Germany is trying to cut down the job losses and improve the conditions of employees as much as possible. So these are all the news guys. The other one is regarding science. So we know like asteroids. So this is also a very important topic according to me, because like NASA and ESA, like European Space Agency, has come to a bonding or an agreement in order to fight against asteroids. So what basically they are, like big ball of earth falling somewhere from the sky and hitting the earth. So it might sound something not so relevant, but in Russia previous year there was one asteroid which fell near a city and it shattered a lot of buildings, and there were also few loss of lives. But the question is when and where it will hit is unknown. So now what they are doing, they are being monitoring almost 1,000 asteroids which will probably hit Earth, and they are devising plans for the big ones which will come in the next decade. So that is one which is probable to hit Earth in 2022 for example. So now they are devising plans on how to change them, of course. So if it's coming to Earth, they will try to change it or make it so small that the impact will be less. So these are all like very important steps taken by the ESA and NASA. So stay tuned for more updates. The last one is from Continental. So Continental is planning to close down one of its tire plant in Aachen. So Aachen, they have a tire plant, like I think it's a tire manufacturing plant or probably an R&D also. So with this, almost a job around like 1,000 people or more might lose their jobs in this scenario. So already Continental has been closing down some plants and is planning to close more plants in 2022, 23, say one in Bavaria and somewhere else. So this was a new news and also a shock. So if you're somebody in this region, please be prepared, and also I hope you also have your legal protection insurance in order to get the right compensation, because it's a layoff from their side. So thanks for watching this news guys. I'll come again tomorrow with another interesting news. I hope this was informative. Please put in comment section like how do you want it and what format, and if you don't like it still please put so that I can improve myself. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and bye bye.